Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through Kingston. We're on we're on Constant Spring Road, heading towards Halfway Tree. As you can see, Constant Spring Road was recently upgraded and it's now a dual carriageway, 4 lanes. Very nice, very nicely done. And upgrades have helped with the flow of traffic. Constant Spring Road is one of the busiest roads in Kingston. And when we say Kingston, we refer to Kingston and St. Andrew. Now, the unique thing about Constant Spring Road is it has more malls or plazas than any other road in Jamaica. It runs from the Manor Park area all the way to Halfway Tree. It has malls like Tropical Plaza, Mall Plaza, Lane Plaza, Kings Plaza, Manor Park Plaza, the new plaza up in Manor Park. I think I don't remember the name now, but it's a new plaza that has the Wendy's in it. The Manor Center, you name it. Most of the top plazas in Kingston are on this road. So that gives you an idea of how busy the road is. And it leads to Halfway Tree. And you know Halfway Tree has about 250,000 people passing through every day. During the week, of course. Now, if you're coming from St. Mary over the hill, that's St. Mary, St. Anne, Portland, St. Thomas, via the junction, coming down the hill, Stony Hill, you're going to come up on this road, and that's another reason why the road is so busy. It leads those parishes into Kingston. As you can see on the left and the right, there are numerous stores and plazas. We're heading towards Dunrobin intersection. And as you can see, the road has no potholes. It was nicely done with drainage, although a lot of people complain that when it rains, there is water backing up on the road, but that might have to do more with the maintaining of the drains. As you can see on the left, by the sidewalk, we can slow down here, you can see the drains. Numerous drains, but if the drains are blocked, they're blocked. There's nothing you can do about that. It looks like they're working on a stoplight here. If you notice, that stoplight and numerous stoplights in Kingston have the cameras on them now. The high-end cameras that can take a picture of the person driving, the license plate. It's part of the Jamaica Eye project. And eventually they're going to start giving tickets via the camera. So if you run the red light and the camera catches you, which it will then the system will then issue a ticket for you. But they haven't started doing it yet, but the infrastructure is being put in. The laws were passed, but I don't think the police have started to enforce them yet. Okay, we're now heading closer to Halfway Tree, and as you can see, numerous malls. So on the left is Kings Plaza. There you go, and then there's a Popeyes. On the right is Savannah Plaza. Back in the day, they used to have a Creamy Corner ice cream shop here. It's now Creamy. It was a very popular ice cream spot back in the day. Okay, this intersection is South Avenue. So on the left is 7th Avenue Plaza. And then beside it is Lane Plaza. On the right is the Texaco gas station and the Burger King. And of course there's Courts. On the left is Lane Plaza, then the Village, then Mall Plaza, then Tropical Plaza, then Premier Plaza. All very popular names. On the right is Twin Gates Plaza. That building beside Twin Gates is the passport office. It has a fancy name, Passport Immigration and Citizenship Agency, PICO. That's a craft market arcade, Constant Spring Arcade. We have all the plazas down here. I think Tropical Plaza is the most popular one. Then now we have the Springs, and of course everybody knows that red sign, that's KFC. So anywhere you see that, you know there's a lot of traffic. Then Central Plaza, and then straight ahead is the Pavilion Plaza. As I said, Constant Spring Road has more plazas or malls than any other road in Jamaica. So that's Pavilion there that we're just passing on the right. On the left is another plaza, and then to the right now is the Halfway Tree Transport Center. The government buses go inside and the private buses go on the outside. Only the government buses, which are the yellow buses, are allowed inside. And this is probably the heart of Halfway Tree. Straight ahead is the iconic Halfway Tree clock, and behind it is the Ncb Bank. Today is a Sunday, so it's not really a busy time today, but during the week this place is packed with people. As we said earlier, up to 250,000 people pass through Halfway Tree every day during the week. On the left is the taxi stand. Okay, so this intersection now, we're on Constant Spring Road. If we were to go straight, that would be Halfway Tree Road. If we turn left, well, no, we can't turn left, it's a one-way, but that's Hope Road, and then turn right, that would be Hagley Park Road. So this is a major intersection in Jamaica. Straight ahead on the right is the York Plaza and the York Pharmacy, which is a very famous or iconic pharmacy in Jamaica. Okay, so we're going to head on to Halfway Tree Road now. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. Remember to like, share and subscribe.